making 3 vegan appetizers that can be used for any get-together or holiday. We're talking spinach artichoke dip, queso blanco, and ranch drip. Let's make some ranch drip. And ranch dip, and let me tell you, this ranch dip rivals... What's the best one? Hidden Valley. Only this is vegan and gluten-free. And this is dairy-free, obviously, because everything I make is vegan. And trust me, they are all delicious. Let's dive in. The base of this spinach artichoke dip is vegan cream cheese. I'm using Violife. This should come to room temperature before starting the recipe. I like to give the cream cheese a good mix before adding the other ingredients, just to fluff it up. I add the seasonings and the spinach. The spinach must be pre-cooked and all of the liquid squeezed out. I use frozen spinach here because it's the easiest. If you aren't serious about squeezing out all of the liquid, you will end up with a liquidy dip.
You've been warned.
Sour cream goes in along with freshly minced garlic. The recipes for these appetizers will be available in the description box below. And the shredded cheese goes in. Today I'm just using vegan mozzarella, but it would be great with a mixture of cheeses, maybe part mozzarella and part vegan Parmesan. The final ingredient is the artichokes, which must be chopped. I like to buy artichokes in water because they are easiest to work with. I've already drained these artichokes and I'll give them a quick chop. You can make these pieces as large or as small as you like. I spread the mixture into a small oven-proof baking dish and top with the remaining cheese, and into the oven it goes. Wow, look at that bubble. Got some spinach artichoke dip on a little tiny gluten-free baguette. This is my favorite, but they're all so very good. Delicious, I love it. Hey, I'm very active on Instagram. Come on over, follow me, let's be friends. This Queso Blanco dish is easy to put together and made from plants. No processed cheeses in this dish. I start by cubing and boiling potatoes until they are soft. I cook the raw cashews with the potatoes just so that the cashews blend easier. All of the ingredients go into a blender. This is jalapeno juice, which might be the most important ingredient in this recipe. Do not leave out this ingredient. It adds the delicious flavor to the cheese dip. I add jalapenos, green chilies, garlic, nutritional yeast, white vinegar, miso paste, and a bit of salt. The cooked potatoes and cashews also go into the blender. Add water as needed. I used a 1/4 cup of water here. The final product should be silky, like liquid cheese, not thick. This is our queso. It has a tiny kick from the jalapenos. That jalapeno juice is everything in this dish, trust me when I tell you. This is so good. When I'm done recording, my daughter's gonna eat all of it, because last time I made it, guess what happened? My daughter ate all of it. It's potatoes and jalapenos, who cares? It's vegetables, really. Very good. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe, it's free, and I can't grow without you. Who doesn't love a ranch dip? This dip is so flavorful and perfect for a quick party dip. The base of this dip is sour cream. When I created this recipe, I tried it with mayonnaise, blended tofu, white beans, and even cashew cream. Trust me when I say that the sour cream gives the best final product. Not all sour creams will be as thick as this one. Actually, most will be thinner. Back to the thickness later. I add vinegar and all of the seasonings. The seasonings are what make this dip amazing. Don't skimp on the seasonings. I'm using dried here because dried seasonings are more available. Feel free to use fresh, but you will need to use more. A small amount of maple syrup balances out the flavor. Once everything is mixed, it's time to add the liquid. You should add the amount that results in the thickness that you enjoy. I used a couple of tablespoons, but if you are using a more liquidy sour cream, you might want to use less. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow those flavors to develop, if you can. I got some little celery pieces and some peppers. I mean, it's delicious. It's ranch dip. It's amazing. This will probably be gone like so fast. If you enjoyed this content, watch this video next.